Namaste children, I am Indrani from Dalmia Vidya Mandir School, Dalmiapuram. Children, today again I am going to revise first lesson. The topic is 3 questions for grade 7th. Shall we see the lesson, children? Lesson topic is 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Once a king thought if he knew 3 answers for these 3 questions, he can run his kingdom powerfully. Shall we see that 3 questions? First question is, what is the right time to begin something? Second question, which people should he listen to? Third question, what is the most important thing for him to do? Children, once a king he thought if he knew these 3 answers for these 3 questions, he can run his kingdom powerfully. That is why he wanted to search the answers for these 3 questions. So he sent his messengers throughout the world to get the answer. So all the soldiers went and searched the answer. Many wise men came to his kingdom. Wise means what? Wise persons means that experienced wisdom persons came into his palace and shared his answers. Okay children, what is the answer of first question? Shall we see that? Children, see here the wise man, their answer, first answer, the king must prepare a timetable and follow it strictly. In our school we are following, no? For exams we put timetable and follow it as per that, no? So the wise man, they said everything he wanted to do, first he must prepare a timetable and follow it strictly. Some wise men, they said it was impossible to decide in advance. In advance, in earlier, we cannot decide what is the right time to begin something. Some people said that it was impossible to decide in advance. Advance means in earlier. Some person said the king needed a council of wise men. Wise man means, already I told, wisdom persons. The king, if he wanted to begin something in right time, means he needed a council of advice of wise man. Some person said that the king should go to magicians. Who is called a magician? One who is skilled in magic. The people said that, the wise man said that if any urgent, that time he cannot go to get the advice of wise man. So before itself the king should go to magicians to look into his future. What is the right time to begin something? This is the answer of first question, children. Okay, the king was not satisfied with these answers. Okay, next week we are going to see the answer of second and third question. Thank you, children.